Today's mission is to fix this gym stepper that has a fairly serious problem. The emergency button isn't working, which can be dangerous because if someone loses their balance, they won't have time to hit the red button and could fall. So let's see what's going on. First, I removed the arm screws, but the cables there were fine, so we kept looking along the cable's path leading to the button. Now we'll remove this screw, which holds the button mechanism in place. We'll take out this sensor here. Don't worry though, this isn't the button we're looking for. I'll explain what it's for later. This is the one we need to remove to find out why it isn't turning the stepper on or off. Let's carefully twist this and take it out to see what we have in here. And look at this. These two little wires are completely disconnected. That's the problem, so in theory, we just need to put them back in place and it should work. We'll do it very carefully because this part is quite delicate and we don't want to break it and we don't want to break. We have the little wires inserted now. Now we'll gently put everything back in place. But before closing everything up, we'll do a quick test. We connect the wires to the switch and boom, there it is. It's working. And take note, because this button doesn't just stop the stepper, it's also used to start it up. So now we can close everything up. Perfect. Now we just have to reconnect these other little wires. These are the cables that connect the pulse sensor, the one on the handlebar that measures heart rate. And just as I was about to tighten the screw, I dropped my screwdriver inside the machine. What a thing, honestly, just part of the job. But hey, luckily, I found it. I just had to tighten the remaining screws. And now, the moment of truth has arrived. Let's test our gym stepper. First, we check that the power button works. Perfect. And now for the most important part. The emergency button. We touch it. There it is. It stops. Problem solved. And if you're interested in gym machine repair, subscribe. Because here you'll learn how to disassemble a treadmill when it has button issues and speeds up on its own. I'll also show you the right way to adjust treadmill rollers so it doesn't jam, and on top of that, you'll learn how to clean and maintain it without damaging its internal components. Now, if your problem is with the mechanical function, just wait until you see how we replaced the pulley on this machine that was broken from so much use. This is a common issue that happens to almost all gym machines, but I'll teach you the trick to make this cable last much longer. Without a doubt, we leave the machines like new. Even this leg press, from which we removed excess grease in the bearings and the rust with the right lubricant. So don't think twice and subscribe because we still have a lot to learn. And remember, we fix everything here. Thanks to Dad.